Solana, we got Cosmos, and we got many different updates to go and talk about in this video. So stick until the end and we jump straight onto the laptop right here. First thing first is the official 200 plus NFT from Zora over here. As we see, very important to go and mint it. 33,000 mints already, and it ends in 5 hours. I'm recording this video, so by the time it goes live, approximately you got 4 hours. I would suggest you to go and mint it. As we see over here, it costs 0.0001 ETH. It is a little bit of a cryptic message. I would recommend probably or would suggest to go and mint 200 of those. I know it is quite pricey, but if you can't, at least try to do at least 11. 11 would be could be a little bit of a cryptic message, but make sure to go and get it. As we see over here, 0.001. We can go on Arbitrum, you can go on OP base, whichever one you want. I'll go and do it over on the OP network. At least in my opinion, 11 would be good. And this is of course for the Zora NFT, as we see over here, $3 for the Zora airdrop. This one could be very, very important for this one as well. Following up, we do have just a reminder. We talked about it yesterday. We got a new voting proposal over here on Jupiter. I will leave you the link down below. I voted for this proposal, as you see over here. And this is one of the most important steps to go and take for the Jupiter Season 2 airdrop. We got the voting, which this one is a new one, as well as swapping. So make sure you go and swap, as I'm doing over here, for example, from Solana to USDC, or from Solana to WEN token, which was launched over here, or Blaze, or anyone that you want. I will leave you the link down below. Also, Jupiter could be an important one. Make sure to do a lot of swaps. I would recommend 10 to 20 a day, as the fees over on Solana are quite minimal. So I would recommend you go and do that, as well as going to do it on a daily or at least 3 times a week. I would recommend you come back here and make sure that you do everything. You can keep it on Jupiter, you can switch them back to Solana without a problem. It is completely up to you. I will switch them back. So we do twice interaction. You see that it's very, the slippage is either 0.1 or 0.5, but it is very minimal. And this is the criteria for the airdrop season 2, as well as the voting. So the link will be down below. You will be redirected over here to this landing page. Make sure to go and do the swaps. Over here, governance, and you will find the voting proposals, as we see standing right at the top, the active one. Make sure to go and vote. Following up, we do have new quest on chain summer over here on Owto. As we said, the snapshot for this one is not yet taken, so very important to go and do it. We go bridge 1 time, bridge 2 times, bridge 3 times, you get point. We get a total of 1,100 bonus point, and this airdrop here, it is way less crowded than what, for example, the bridge was and will be the allocation. So I do believe the allocation for this one, you can send it, of course, from anybody. I would say let's do from this scroll situation over here. We go and jump over to scroll. So let's go to the network over here on scroll, and we will be able to send it anything that you want. For example, also 0.01. And as we see over here, if we open the tab here, we see that the fee are very, very minimal. 0.0006, you will get the points. I will go and do them, and I will go and do them all of the video, so I don't waste your time here. But make sure to go and do it. Link is down below. Make sure to jump right on it, because it is going to be, in my opinion, this airdrop, because of the small amount of people that are in Owto, and they all farm the bridge, they all wasted their money on the bridge. I do believe Owto will be even higher in terms of the rewards, as they have a $150 million evaluation as of right now. No snapshot taken, no round 3 airdrop or anything. So make sure to go and do it. Very, very important. Following up, we do have an upcoming airdrop, the AIB airdrop, and it is the next airdrop for Dimension stakers if you are still a Dimension user or a believer. As we see over here, I wouldn't expect anything big, as well as, it did launch, as we see over here, in 3 days. Their testnet launched 26th of January, so 26th of August. So on a Monday, their testnet will launch, and 45%, as we see over here, will go to the rewards, and 10% will go to airdrops. So rewards, which means potentially for testnet users or people that will complete tasks for their testnet, but we will have a secure 10% allocation for what the airdrop will be. So if you are a Dimension stakers, you will automatically be eligible for the 10% airdrop, and then we can work towards the Dimension token as well for the rewards. Following up, a little update over on Base. Now, we do know Base airdrop could potentially arrive at any time soon, but we do have from Brian Armstrong, the CEO and co-founder of Coinbase. He dropped a site where you can check your own base activity. I will leave a link down below and let me know your base activity. Let me know your total based activity. I have 91 out of 100, which is not bad. Yet I see people over here with 95. I see here this guy with 98. We got many people also with 100, as we see over here. So very, very important to go and do it. But make sure to go and check it out. If you can, as you see here, you see the transaction on Ethereum, the activity for unique days such as transaction, longest streak, current streak, activity periods, token swapped, the bridge perform, lend, borrow, stake transactions, etc. So make sure to go and take a look. And I would recommend, if you feel that your score is a little bit down, I would recommend you go and up all these numbers. As we see over here also from this one, we do have a lot of people with a lot of smart contract deployment. We do have a lot of people as well with on-chain transaction with Ethereum and Base. So many different things, many different ones. Very, very important to go, in my opinion, to check it out for the future of the Base airdrop. Following up, we have the Saga Bolt for airdrop from Saga XYZ. The distribution will take place on Friday, August 30th. So end of next week, end of the month, we will have it, and the claim closed on the August 21st. So the claims already had closed. We did talk about it a week ago already when they did announce the snapshot, and as I do remember, they have announced it right over here, and I can show you the photo because we did talk about it quite a while back, and there was a picture of a lady, or there was a video of a lady taking the snapshot. So this one will come, and it has already come. As we said, on Friday, you will be able to receive your allocation. And let me know whether or not you are still part of the Saga community, Saga airdrop, if you participate in it, or you just forgot about it. Let me know down in the comments below. Following up, we have a new Cosmos airdrop, as we did mention at the beginning, and this is the Trump token. Now, this is no official Trump coin. It is a meme coin, as we see over here. But if you are within the Cosmos ecosystem, then the criteria were for people who WOSMO holders with a minimum of 10,000, liquidity providers, lab holders with a minimum of 5, NFT holders as well, with the eligible NFT being mad scientist, as well as creepy comparison over here, DeFi jigs, expedition picks, etc. We got the Trump over here. Now, this is, of course, one of those airdrops that just get randomly sent. It is not backed by Trump, nor backed by Trump's family, nothing of that. It is, as we see, a meme coin, kind of like what Unicorn was back when we had it over on our Kepler wallet. Following up, we have a little bit of a talk about the droplet airdrop, the drop campaign. No waiting to unstake Atom or missed rewards. If you didn't want to unstake Atom to get into the droplet campaign, you can now convert staked Atom position to the Atom without unstacking. So you simply do a swap of the money from one position to the other, and you are good to go. With that said, guys, I know it's a little bit of a shorter video, but it does look like the crypto space is a little bit sleeping. Now, there is one important thing to keep in mind. Crypto right now, it is going up. We've seen Bitcoin reaching 63, 64,000, etc. I do expect the airdrop situation to be even better very, very soon. We have the D-Bridge airdrop launching quite soon, and if that goes well and they don't mess up, then we are in for a good trade. So keep your eyes open, keep your wallets ready. It's time, in my opinion, to jump. Now we got up. Also, of course, August, everybody's on summer. Also the teams potentially they were out for summer. So do not worry about that. Do not panic about that. We will have it, and it will be huge. With that said, thank you for watching, and I see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.